Hi, this is Alicia, your trusted mortgage consultant with this week's Mortgage Minute. Today, I would like to talk about appraisal. What if the appraisal value comes in lower than what you had expected? So first, let's talk about how appraisers appraisal the house value. Typically, appraisers will use the recent sales data from the recent 3 months for properties sold within 1 mile from the subject house. And they typically look at properties with similar square footage, similar lot size, similar age, similar style, and then adjust the values based on the condition of the house. Now, appraisal value is a very subjective value. Even if we send 2 appraisers to the same property, the values may not be exactly the same. What happens if the appraisal value comes in lower than your contract price? Here are a few options for you. First of all is you can do an appraisal rebuttal. If you notice there are some mistakes appraiser made in the appraisal report, or if you think there's an important recent sales comparable that's not being included in the appraisal report, you can do an appraisal rebuttal. However, the success rate of appraisal rebuttal is pretty low. The second option is you can go back to negotiate with the seller and the listing agent. In the past, I have helped some of my clients to negotiate with the seller and the listing agent and basically ask the seller to pay for the interest rate differences because of the lower appraisal value. And that will be a win-win for the buyers and sellers. Now, the third option is to repackage the loan. Now, when the appraisal value comes in lower than the purchase contract price, in the lender's eyes, the client who put a 20% down will be perceived as putting less than 20% down. And a lot of banks will require the buyers to come in with additional funds to make up for the difference. However, with my lenders, I have more choices, so my buyers don't have to come in with additional funds because I can repackage the loan as if the loan to appraisal value is maybe at 85% or 90%. So if you are making a non-contingent offer, you may want to discuss with your real estate agent about the worst case scenario, what will be the appraisal value comes in at. I always like to help my clients prepare for the worst case scenario by offering them backup plans. If you're in the market buying a home and would like to talk about your backup plans, give me a call.